Welcome back, everybody. I've decided the next build is going to be the Academy 172 scale Mig-21 fish bed. And I just kind of wanted to do a quick overview. It's a relatively small kit. Not that many pieces. The one thing I was noticing, I don't know if this is just a different variant, but it doesn't look the most like of the style one I kind of wanted. But this was really cheap at the hobby store, and I was there, and I always grab at least a cheap quick kit to build. Extremely simple instructions. Hopefully it's not too complicated. I was kind of hoping this would be more of a quick build, and it does look like that. But yeah, as you can see, the pitot tube and stuff is on the bottom. The nose cone, I guess you could call it, the intake, doesn't come out as far. The profile looks pretty good, but I didn't expect that much. Get 2 sets of decals. We'll crack this open. Alright, so one main body canopy, not extremely defined where the framework is. Looks like you've got, you know, your main fuselage. Looks pretty crisp. Let's see, do you get a pilot? Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. If this kit can have a pilot, there's no excuse for any other kit. Yeah, I mean, it's looking pretty solid. Some good detail on here. Like I say, this kit, I'm really going for a simple build. Kind of coming off the end of that Wildcat build. It was a really easy build, like I said in the review. But some of these 172 kits I get to be more of like a relaxing build where I can kind of decompress and not try to be as perfect, if you know what I mean. So yeah, most likely I'll be starting this tomorrow. So I hope you guys are can join me for the journey. Just wanted to make this quick video here, and we'll see how this one turns out. I'll probably pick up like an Edward kit of this MiG, just because I kind of want like a more detailed, accurate one. But this may just be like a different variant for the Finnish Air Force, which is what this one is going for. So yeah, you guys have a good night. Happy Friday tomorrow. Let's finish the week strong, everybody, and have a good one.